These extended to go outside, where officers came across a green hold-all bag hidden in a loft space inside the garage. A handgun and self-loading pistol were inside it, along with multiple rounds of ammunition and a sound moderator. The firearm were checked by experts and confirmed to be a viable. Police seized the bag's contents, while 109 cannabis plants and growing equipment inside the address were removed too. The house searches on the 11th of January this year quickly established that the property belonged to Jason Spence.